Magandang araw mga kabayan. I-share ko lang uli ito mula pa rin ito sa nangyaring Senate hearing noong nakaraang Monday, no? I-share ko itong regarding dito kay sa statement ni retired Brigadier General Sir Orlando De Leon. Actually, ito yung pinapaliwanag ni President Rudy Duterte during that hearing na hindi ka kasi dumaan o nag-handle ng syudad na hindi nga maintindihan ni Senador Risa Ontiveros kasi tama nga naman, hindi naman siya naging mayor na humawak ng syudad na infested ng mga drug addict at mga kriminal. So kung ating babasahin dito, tugmag-tugma itong statement ni retired Brigadier General Orlando De Leon. So he said, "This girl doesn't know or has practically no idea about the concept of taking full responsibility." Madam Senator, taking full responsibility is a function of leadership. Leaders, especially of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte's kind, know and accept that whatever his men or organization does or fails to do falls flatly upon his shoulders alone. Success is credited to his men, while failure is the leader's failure alone. Blame is the product of his failure, and praise is the product of success. Now, Madam Senator, where does your idea of criminal liability fall under this concept? Please consult a lawyer before you face former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte again. He doesn't talk to nor has the patience for idiots. Better yet, try being a barangay captain in a drug-infested community before you should even argue about leadership principles, according to retired Brigadier General Orlando De Leon. Exactly, ito yung sinasabi ni President Duterte nung siya'y sinalang doon sa Senate hearing ng nakaraang Lunes, October 28, 2024. Kaya talagang hindi talaga tugma yung paliwanag pa ni Senator Risa kasi nga hindi naman siya tumaan pagka mayor, hindi pa niya naranasan mag-handle ng syudad. Ay noon saan, yung time ng hinawakan ni Mayor Duterte ng Davao, punong-puno ng mga criminal, drug addict. Pero ngayon, maituturing na isa sa mga safest city ang Davao. Kaya ito, shinare ko lang dahil lilipas ang panahon, travel time sa nangyaring ito. Kaya allow me to share this and thank you, credit to General Orlando De Leon. Thank you po sa panonood at manatili tayo maging mapanuri. Kasi ang bansa talaga natin kailangan ng isang talagang hindi pwedeng lalambot-lambot na leader. Kaya sinabi nga ni President Duterte, kung malambot ang leader natin, wala na, bagsak ng Pilipinas. Narco country na tayo mga kababayan. So, yan lang po muna may share ko today. Thank you po sa inyong oras ng panonood. Salamat. God bless. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Thank you.